Hello everyone. Welcome back to Be Bold Rahul, where we're going to be going around and asking people what their biggest non-sexual turn-on is. Let's find out.
A what?
I'm not for sale, okay?
This is going to be very generic.
सिंगल हैंड ड्राइव भी कर लेता हूँ.
Okay, but that was it. I think it's hot when he remembers the little things. I mean, it can be very exciting, yeah. Especially when you... So, although that was a friend and not a boyfriend, but that was...
I think it's intelligence. I would say, like being able to answer, being able to smartly answer questions. That is one turn on.
Nice.
This is going to be very generic, like showing some sort of protective nature. Like,
This is very vague also, bro. It is not even generic.
having that, oh, I'm there for you attitude. That, oh, why are you doing this? I'll do it for you. I'm like, okay.
I think I would say hands on the thighs while driving. Non-negotiable.
I would say when he's being nerdy about a particular topic that he knows, he's very passionate about.
Obsessed with it.
Yeah.
Oh, he basically puts some money in my wallet.
Turns me on.
Every day. Hand on the back.
Oh, nice.
Boys who are funny, that's non-sexual. Yeah, and who are considerate. Yeah, chivalry. Chivalry. Sincere, honest. Chivalry.
Oh, awesome.
I think when he's well groomed, when he comes out like a man.
I think when she does a heavier leg press than I do,
That is hard.
that is very hard.
To be honest, I think a girl that just stands up for herself, a girl who's confident in that way, I agree. I think maybe that for me is probably it.
Nice. He also got a nice heel cut for his
I think for me, if the guy is driven and if he dresses well and if he doesn't put other people down or makes weird comments, if he can just hold a conversation, I think. So, yeah. Yeah.
I think I also agree with Arman, the confidence in the girl. If she's very confident herself, then that's a good personality to have.
I think ambition and plus.
Oh my god!
That's a great answer.
What?
Really बढ़िया answer है भाई. इसे गलत है.
I want to hear your answers.
We'll wait. तू भी judge करना.
Non-sexual turn on is when I'm eating with my hair open and my hair's on my face and he just... Yeah, that.
Voice. Good voice. A good voice is a great turn on.
Nice deep baritone. Amitabh Bachchan type voice.
See, I'll tell you very honestly, if I find a girl putting a lot of efforts and you're making...
Every bit of it, because usually the men are expected to put in a lot of effort. Around the if I see a girl putting more effort.
1 hour later.
Basically,
Ordering my favorite food,
Non-sexual turn on. The way they dress. Yeah. I love a man who dresses really well. Yeah, that's it.
Good hair.
Nice. His hair is quite amazing.
Basically. That explains.
one should be smelling good. I think fragrance is something that...
Well groomed.
Yeah.
A what?
A non-sexual turn on.
When they get your humor. Yeah, of course, ambitious.
Give some more example. Give some original thoughts, यार. मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ वही आप repeat कर रहे हो.
A guy who can cook.
Yes. See? ऐसे.
I can cook.
Yeah, boy.
I think when, a lot of times you reverse the car.
Oh, yeah.
So I find that very cool. Yeah, and I really look at that, it's like a very non-sexual but turning on stuff. Yeah.
What a great answer. अब आप बताओ.
सिंगल हैंड ड्राइव भी कर लेता हूँ.
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा.
I think wit and humor, that's it.
Oh my god, I have so many.
Give me just दो तीन दे दे.
When she's a hustler, when she works hard,
Yes.
don't talk to me. Talk to the people you're addressing. I'm waiting after you're done addressing. Address me then. That's so aggressive. Wait, I'm gonna give a nicer
No,
one.
it's fine only. People get it. People get your vibe. It's cool.
Non-sexual, okay.
Yeah.
Somebody who communicates really well, and who's protective. Yes.
Nice. Chivalrous.
Yeah, gentleman and chivalrous.
Nice.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm not into reading minds, so I'm communication is a big thing for me. So I feel communication means a lot. Had
One eternity later.
There comes a time in every person's life where they think about this really important question. Should I make the first move or should I wait for them? And today, we're going to be finding out what people think. Is it always the man's responsibility to make the first move? Let's find out.
I would say it can be anybody. There should be no boundary on like who should make it.
I think whoever is the less.
Oh, don't lie. Don't lie.
The guy should ideally make the first move. But again, it depends like who is more. I think it just depends whoever is like more, extroverted. But at least in my case, the guy should make the first move.
Yeah, I think he should.
Okay, cool.
I think who is interested first, but I would prefer if the guy asks. Yeah.
Guys, you have a lot to do, bro.
The answer's going to be the same. I've always made the first move. So, yeah, it doesn't matter. If you like him, go for it. The guy.
Okay. Two completely opposite opinions.
Whoever's interested first should make the first move.
Very mature.
Yeah.
I would love it if the guy did it.
Yes, that is the
I
answer.
would love
That is the real answer that I wanted. Thank you so much.
Boys.
Okay. You're very strong on that.
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know.
You're whipped, bro.
I mean, you made the first move.
But that was it.
Oh, I mean, I guess nowadays it just depends. I guess in the past it was more like the guy has to make the first move, but I'm happy that we're in a society now where it's like it's a lot more equal. The guy doesn't have to feel all the pressure, and neither does the girl. So I think
Nice win.
it's changed now. The times have changed, I guess.
What do you think?
I agree. I mean, it's like it's whoever.
I wanted a
I mean,
controversial opinion. You're
no.
saying only boys should make the first move.
I'll tell you. I do think that it's
2 hours later.
You guys are real human beings. You will have real human answers, which is great. This is great.
Yeah, I think it depends. Like, whoever finds the other person more attractive should do it.
I think whoever is ready.
The man. Always the guy. Don't go by the silly concept. लड़कियों को नहीं भाई. Feminism side में लड़कों को सारा काम करना चाहिए. First move everything. Remember that.
Exactly the same. I think guys should make the first move, and that's like a gentleman. Yeah.
Well trained.
The one who was interested first.
Anyone can. Yes.
Safe diplomatic answer. Nice. और भाई आ गए वीडियो के एंड पे. Like, share and subscribe to Be Bold Rahul. See you in the next one. Bye.